So, I haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I'd give a video of over the winter what I've been kind of working on the Trans Am and such. I got a set of taillights for the Trans Am. They need to be cleaned up, but got a set of taillights. And they're okay headlight rings. Not spectacular, but they're okay. Let me show you what else I got. Original fender wells. This one is an original from the car. I ended up buying another set of fender wells and cleaned them up. So I used one that's good and the other one that's good. So I have a couple, a good pair of inner fender wells now. These are waiting on paint, and then they'll be set aside, ready to go. So that's kind of nice. I just want to get these finished painted up, and then they'll be ready. This is the biggest piece I've gotten so far. This is a 70 front end, and as you can tell, the front end is in real rough shape. But it was a complete front end. The grill, the headlight, the brackets, everything are here. The grill is right here. These are the grills. The headlights are back there. Anyway, so this stuff is, I don't think I'm going to use the front end. I think it's just too far gone. But I'm going to pull the brackets off it and put a new front end. Use the 70 front end for mine. Here's the headlight buckets and the headlight brackets. Getting primed up. So, and then I'll get these shot satin black, and I'll put them back together, and it'll be ready to go. Waiting on the rest of the car. This is a major piece that I got. This is a 455 cubic inch Pontiac motor. They've been told it's 60 over, so you want to send it off to the engine shop, have it checked out real quick, but it looks okay. There's just a block and a crank here. And in this box here, you can see a set of connecting rods. So I got a set of connecting rods for it. Now I just need to work on getting the rest of the components, and I can start putting the motor together. But yeah, so there is quite a bit coming on. This is the floor for the Trans Am, the left and right side. I got this Edelbrock 650. Or no, I'm sorry, it's a 750. Needs rebuilt. You can look how rough it looks. But it's electric choke. 750. There's a rebuild kit for it. So I'm going to rebuild that, or I'll have it rebuilt. I think my dad's going to actually rebuild it for me, which is really nice. And this right here, this steel is the subframe connectors. I got a pretty good deal on those, so I bought a set of subframe connectors. Oh, and this bag over here is, this is the lower valance lights for that front end. This is the valance right here. So I've been sanding on this a little bit, pulled some of the dents out of it. This is this bracket here. This bolt is stuck. I got to cut this bolt off to get this separated, so I can get this off the car, or get this off the piece, so I can get it all cleaned up and painted. This is the hood latch for it. This was frozen solid, so I spent some time, messed with it, but it's working now, so that's good. I think the only other piece that I got, this stuff here is for the truck. I'll go over that in a different video. The only other piece that I know I have floating around here is a 160 mile an hour speedometer. So I have the early speedometer for the car. I found one and I got a deal on it. So yeah, I got quite a bit of stuff now for the car. So yeah, this is gonna, let me get this cleaned up, straighten out some of the dingers in it. That's a nasty little dent right there. It did have a dent. You can still see a low spot right there. But there was a, it was worse. And then there's a small rust spot right there. I'm gonna weld up. But overall, it's in pretty good shape. So we'll straighten her out and get it cleaned and primed and maybe even painted. I don't know. Hey, technically, I haven't decided on exactly which color yet, so I need to work on that. So that's what we've been working on.